Hello friends, welcome back in our new session. In this session we will discuss about some basic concepts of Python programming and what is Python programming and how we can learn Python programming using the basics of Python programming. Let's start now. So in this session we will discuss about some basics concepts of Python programming. So let's start now. History of Python programming language. So Python was created by Guido van Rossum, who is a Dutch programmer. He invented Python, the language as Python, choosing the word from a TV serial named Monty Python's Flying Circus. That was a very famous serial at that time. So the Python name came from this serial. The first release of language was in 1991. That was the beginning of Python programming. Now, what is Python programming? So as we all know that Python programming is a very easy programming language. So what are the facts and what are the features behind its easiness? Then the user or programmer interested to work on that. Okay, so Python is a very easy programming language and Python is open source programming language. What it's mean? Open source programming language means it is open for all and it is easily downloadable from the internet and it is free of cost. So it is highly secured language. Python has various features to make easy programming. So what are its features? So Python is a very easy programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is a high level programming language. Python is a object oriented programming language. Python is a interpreter based programming language. Python is a modular based programming language. Python is a platform independent programming language. And Python is a dynamically programming language. So these all are the main features of Python. If we talk about the easiness of the programming language, then all kind of functions, modules, and we can say all kind of packages, libraries are available in the Python programming. So Python is a high level programming language. As we all know that then there are so many high level languages. So to use as a high level programming language, Python requires some translators like compilers and interpreters. So the question will arise here, what is the compiler? The compiler is a software which converts high level programming language into low level programming language, that is our machine level language. Python is a object oriented programming language. So Python is an object oriented programming language. It means if we talk about the object oriented programming, then we should know one thing, that if the programming language supports the following principles, then we can say the programming language is an object oriented programming language. So what are those principles? Like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. So these are main principles that Python supports to become just like a object oriented programming language. Now the next one is Python is an interpreter based programming language. Interpreter based programming language shows two kind of techniques in which the program converts or translated into binary or machine level language. So interpreter basically interprets the program into binary and executes immediately. That is, it interprets line by line of code. So such kind of conversion we called as spot conversion. So interpreter never produces the files. If we talk about the compiler, so compiler also converts the program into binary language, but it also produces some files, that are generated after the compilation. Next is Python is a modular based programming language. So modular based programming language means a collection of variables, functions and classes. Is a platform independent programming language. So platform independent programming language, we should know about the platform independent means. It means if the program get executed, it will be dependent on any operating system. So the dependency shows the type of programming language, that it is platform dependent or platform independent. So there are some kind of languages like Python, Java. That's all about the basics of Python programming. We will learn more and more about the Python programming in our next tutorials. So stay on this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.